Hello everyone, today we're going to have the zero product property. This is the second part. I will put the link of the first part in the description box below. So again, this is a statement for zero product property. If A times A times B is equals to 0, then A is equals to 0 or B is equals to 0. So let's have an example here. So let's take the first equations. There's going to be two of them. So let's take the first one. So again, we are going to, since this is not in factored form, we are going to change this general form into factored form so that we can apply the zero product property. To do that, we're going to use the box and diamond. So it's pretty much the same thing. Again, there is another video that talks about how to use the box and diamond in order that we can factor quadratic expressions. So first, we're going to multiply these two. This is negative 30 x squared. That's the one that we write on top of the diamond. So negative 30x squared. The one in the middle will go to the bottom. That's negative 13x. And we are going to find the factors. So the factors for this would be negative 15x and then positive 2x. So then from here, we can go ahead and draw the box to get the factors. It's going to be a 2 by 2 box. So this would be, the first term is going to go here. So 3x squared. And then the last term is going to go here, negative 10. And then we are going to write the two red factors that we got. You can put it anywhere. So I'll just put the negative 15x here and then the 2x. And then we are now ready to find the factors. So this would be x right here, and I can write the 3x, so that x times 3x is 3x squared. So then this one has to be 2 here, so that if I have 2 times x is 2x, and this one right here is a negative 5. So negative 5 times 3x is negative 15. Negative 5 times 2 is a negative 10. So then from here, we can change this to its factored form, and this would come out x minus 5, parentheses 3x plus 2. And that is equal to 0. From here, we can use the zero product property. So then this would come out to be x minus 5 equals 0. So then we add 5 from both sides plus 5 here. So then we go ahead and cross this out. X is positive 5. So we're going to put that inside the box. And then just do the same thing for this. So that it would be equal to 0. 3x plus 2 equals 0. So minus 2 from both sides. Minus 2 here. So we can cross this 2 and 2 out. So we're left with 3x is equal to negative 2. Since we want x by itself, we divide both sides by 3. We divide this by 3. So then the x is negative 2/3. So these are the two x's. At this time, I would encourage you to pause this video and try this problem out on your own. And when you're done, unpause it and check your answer. Okay, so we go over this. It's pretty much the same thing as what we did with the first one. Let's see what you got. So we're going to use the, again, we're going to use the diamond. We multiply these two. This is negative 42x squared. That's the one that we write on top of the diamond, negative 42x squared. And we get an x at the bottom. Then we find the factors. This would be negative 6x and 7x. From here, we are going to draw the box, a 2 by 2 box here. So the one that we put inside the box would be 2x squared and then negative 21. And so we write the factors. You can put them anywhere, but I'll write the negative 6x here and then the 7x down here. So I need to find the factors now. That would be 2x and x. So 2x times x is 2x squared. So this must be 7. And then this is a negative 3. So negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. So the factors for this, or the factored form for this, would be, you can write any of these. It doesn't matter. So I can have 2x plus 7, parentheses, x minus 3. Again, you can write, you can switch this to parentheses. It doesn't matter. So that is equal to 0. So then from here, we use the zero product property. So that would be 2x plus 7 equals 0. So minus 7 from both sides, minus 7 here. So we are left with 2x is equal to negative 7. And then we divide both sides by 2. We divide this by 2 here. So then we are left with x is equal to negative 7 halves. So that's the first x. To find the second x, we again equal the second equation to 0. So x minus 3 equals 0. And then plus 3 and plus 3 from both sides. So then we are left with x is equal to 3. Did you get these two answers over here? Good. Perfect. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!